The seasonal beauty of Nanjing Park's bald cypress axis. 14 stories above ground and 2 stories below ground. 3 buildings, 128 residential units and 19 commercial units. Land area, 6,243.62 square meters. Building coverage ratio, 32.77%. Unobstructed views overlooking the park, parking area, and future school site. Triple frontage lot with setback open spaces. Centralized courtyard designed for outdoor activities. Reviving the historical texture through the restoration of natural springs and streams. Low building coverage and sustainable low-carbon planning. This project reimagines the historical watercourses within the site, allowing residents to reconnect with the lineage of the land. In doing so, it evokes a sense of belonging and awakens a collective consciousness for environmental protection. Integrated planning of the south side linear open space and public sidewalk. A rich facade expression featuring staggered balconies integrated with curved perforated panels. No public sidewalk on the east side, instead, a plaza-style open space is provided. Echoing Hanshi Creek, a revival of historical textures through restored natural springs and streams. A winding path leading to a secluded entrance. A spatial sequence of compression and release. A serene and profound lobby. A reflecting pool that captures the shifting light and passing clouds. A central courtyard void designed to accommodate social interaction among residents. A circular walking path designed for both movement and lingering. The restoration of historical springs and waterways inspires eco-awareness among residents and reflects the project's core vision of low-carbon sustainability. Springs and streams wind their way into the heart of the site, with landscaped balconies encircling the courtyard to create a vibrant hub for outdoor community life. Curved perforated panels unify the staggered balconies, providing the facade with effective sunshading and dynamic light and shadow effects. Staggered livable balconies, extending ground-level greenery onto the building facade. Green living on the facade, a synthesis of nature and daily life that serves as both a carbon-reducing element and a spiritual symbol. Beyond being a formal element of the facade, the perforated panels filter light through the openings and cast shadows upon the exterior walls. This reduces thermal radiation while creating dynamic light and shadow patterns that shift with the passage of time. Balconies that bridge the living space with the park. Horizontal perforated panels create elegant curves of light and shadow across the facade. Staggered vertical rock face formations create a natural skyline. A flowing imagery of clouds and water paired with staggered, cantilevered balconies. Light and shadow flowing across the facade. Direct sunlight duration is reduced from 8 hours to 3 hours. The area with shorter sunlight duration increases, while the area with longer sunlight duration decreases. successfully lowers the facade surface temperature. A significant increase in shaded area, 37.7%. The facade illuminance is effectively reduced. The curved double-skin shading wall creates turbulence that broadens heat dissipation and facilitates rapid cooling. Regarding the energy-saving performance of architect Yuan Huang's double-skin shading facilities, our laboratory has synthesized simulation findings based on the project data provided. The results are summarized as follows. Impact of double-skin shading facilities. Double-skin shading facilities effectively lower the surface temperature of exterior walls and reduce solar radiation, thereby decreasing the demand for indoor air conditioning. Preliminary estimates indicate that these facilities can reduce exterior wall surface temperatures by approximately 5 to 8 degrees Celsius and lead to an average reduction of 10% to 15% in air conditioning energy consumption. Scientific validation. One thermal load simulations conducted via Energy Plus demonstrate that the double-layer shading facilities significantly reduce solar radiation on the exterior walls. 2. By increasing the area of the double-skin shading, a notable decrease in air conditioning energy consumption is observed, aligning with low-carbon and energy-saving goals. Application value. The double-layer shading facilities provide the following benefits. 1. Reduce energy consumption and lower electricity costs. 2. Enhance indoor comfort levels. 3. Meet green building standards and carbon reduction requirements. Conclusion. Double-skin shading facilities play a significant role in reducing building thermal loads and enhancing energy efficiency. We strongly recommend adopting this design to achieve the dual goals of energy conservation and carbon reduction, while ensuring a comfortable living environment. The curved perforated panels at the northeast corner mitigate the uncomfortable wind speeds caused by the northeast monsoon on the pedestrian walkway. Where nature and daily life coexist. Where energy efficiency meets sustainability. Where poetic imagery intertwines with modern aesthetics.